The 58th Special Operations Wing, SOW, at Kirtland Air Force Base has officially welcomed the last MC-130J ever produced, concluding a 14-year production run by Lockheed Martin. This final aircraft, designated Aircraft 5994, arrived on January 14, 2025, symbolizing the completion of an iconic chapter in military aviation. Aircraft 5994 was manufactured in 2024 at Lockheed Martin's Marietta, Georgia facility. Following its assembly, the aircraft was upgraded at the Rapid Development Integration Facility located at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio, where it was outfitted with specialized equipment to meet the requirements of the MC-130J classification. Its delivery to Kirtland AFB marks a significant milestone for both the U.S. Air Force and Lockheed Martin, as this is the last MC-130J the Air Force will receive. Interestingly, the 58th SOW now hosts both the first and the final MC-130JS ever produced. The first aircraft was delivered to Cannon Air Force Base in 2011 and has since joined the 58th SOW's fleet, making Kirtland AFB a symbolic home for the beginning and end of the MC-130JS production journey. Upon delivery, a rigorous process is undertaken to prepare the aircraft for operational use. Specialists from the 415th Aircraft Maintenance Unit, AMU, of the 58th SOW will spend about 2 weeks conducting thorough inspections and ensuring the aircraft is flight-ready. This preparation includes generating essential documentation, such as the maintenance history sheet, which officially begins the operational record of Aircraft 5994. Master Sergeant Brent Ogle, Production Superintendent of the 415th AMU, highlighted the dedication required to maintain these aircraft. Each training flight requires at least 40 man-hours of maintenance to ensure the aircraft is safe and effective. These aircraft will also see a minimum of 200 flight hours every year with our students. The MC-130J is a versatile and highly capable aircraft designed for Special Operations Forces, SOF. Its primary missions include in-flight refueling of SOF helicopters and tiltrotor aircraft, infiltration and exfiltration of personnel, resupply of SOF units through airdrops or airland operations in remote areas. With a maximum takeoff weight of 164,000 pounds, the MC-130J can carry substantial payloads while maintaining impressive performance. It is equipped with advanced features that enhance its adaptability to a wide range of missions. Key performance specifications include maximum speed, 362 knots, KTAS, at 22,000 feet. Range, 3,000 miles without refueling, making it ideal for long-range operations. Altitude ceiling, 28,000 feet, even when carrying a payload of 42,000 pounds. The typical crew composition of the MC-130J includes 2 pilots, 1 combat systems officer, and 2 enlisted loadmasters. This configuration enables efficient management of complex operations in diverse tactical scenarios, from low-altitude infiltration to high-altitude resupply missions. With the addition of Aircraft 5994, the 58th SOW now operates a fleet of 8 MC-130JS, enhancing its capacity to train pilots and aircrews for special operations missions. This new aircraft will be integrated into the 58th SOW's training programs, where it will be used for a variety of scenarios aimed at preparing aircrews for the demands of modern warfare. The MC-130JS advanced capabilities make it an invaluable tool for special operations training. Its ability to perform complex missions in challenging environments ensures that aircrews are prepared to support critical operations across the globe. The delivery of the final MC-130J represents the culmination of over a decade of production and development. For the 58th SOW, this moment serves as both a historical milestone and an opportunity to advance its mission of training the next generation of special operations aircrews. Lockheed Martin's completion of the MC-130J production line underscores the aircraft's enduring legacy in the U.S. Air Force. Its capabilities and reliability have made it a cornerstone of special operations, and its presence will continue to be felt through the missions it supports and the aircrews it trains. as the 58th SOW begins utilizing aircraft 5994 in training exercises. It carries forward the legacy of the MC-130J fleet while reaffirming its role in enhancing the operational readiness of the U.S. Air Force. This aircraft is not just a final delivery, it is a symbol of progress, capability, and the commitment to excellence that defines the Special Operations mission. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.